Hello and welcome to this video on some advanced things you can do with Grammarly. Um, this is specifically designed for Shaw University students, so just saying. Anyway, when it comes to Grammarly, when you log into Grammarly, this is like your main homepage, My Grammarly, okay? A couple of things that you want to be aware of is, first of all, there's something called apps right here. You can actually install Grammarly for Chrome, Grammarly for Microsoft Office, and Grammarly for Windows. So if you install it for like Microsoft Office, then when you use Microsoft Office, you'll notice up here in the corner it has like this little Grammarly thing, okay? Which is kind of cool because then actually in Office you can just, click on the thing and it shows you the issues that you have. Wow, pretty cool, okay? So it's got its own little tab up there. So that's one thing to be aware of, okay? Second thing to be aware of is, so if you don't have Word or you don't want to do this, you can still just use stuff. Now, what I would suggest you do is that you write, let's say you wrote this example right here. Okay, let's turn that one off. And let's say I want to upload this to Grammarly and have it check it for me. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to upload, and I'd save that right there. Okay, so uploaded this file. So this is the thing. Now, this is, so it's showing me, hey, look, we have some suggestions of some things that are wrong. Okay, so the children plays with, it should be the children play because children is plural. Okay, with is spelled wrong. With their fiends, oh, I meant friends. Okay, in the park. On the park? No, I meant in the park. Okay, the children play with their friends in the park. Jason Morgan, oh, Morgan should be capitalized because that's part of the name, teaches at Shaw University. Ah, University should be capitalized. Okay, so I've made some changes. Now, I can download this. I can either copy this and save it into a document, or I can download this, and it will save it as a doc file. Now, it'll save it, if you just type it in here, it may save it as a text file. If you upload it as a doc file, it'll save it as whatever file you have. Okay, so now I have that file there. So let's say I've opened this bad boy up, okay? And now here's some of the questions we have. It's like, oh, look, Grammarly says it's inserted all these things. Oh, but I don't want to submit it this way. Gosh, what do I do? Well, these are something called track changes, and it's pretty easy to fix these. It just shows you what it fixed, okay? But if you don't want to submit it this way, the easy way to fix this is you go to the Review tab, Review, and you see where it says Show Comments? So these are considered comments over here. You just click Show Comments, and you just go, boop, and it goes away. And you'll see there's a comment over here. Well, you can actually delete that comment too. Okay, you can go to delete. If that's another way to do it. So we turn on comments again. Another way to do that is go to comments. Again, this is comments. And you're going to go to delete. I'm going to click on this button, and I'm going to delete all comments in the document. Okay, so boom, it's all gone. So the questions were, how do you get rid of that stuff? So you should not submit a file that has all the comments on the side. Anyway, so quick and easy little way of showing you how to fix that. Okay, now go do it.